Yo guys, welcome back. This is a very interesting vlog. I'm at a shooting range, guys. You probably heard those noises at the start of the video. So I just did an Uber Eats order, and I had to deliver to a shooting range out in the country. I'm not in my city anymore. I left Calgary. I'm in the country. And yeah, I had to deliver food to a shooting range. People are firing rifles right now. It is crazy. Uber Eats is so crazy. You can deliver to like the most random places ever. Sorry, I just had to wipe my camera just to make sure the quality's good. But yeah, I delivered to this one guy named Eric, but I never saw him. This woman approached me, and then she asked me if I'm delivering for Eric, and I said I am. And yeah, she just took it from me and then gave it to him. But yeah, so I'm out in the country, guys. I left my city, but I'm like super close to Calgary. You can even see the city from a distance. So yeah, I'm like, even though I'm out in the country, I'm like very, very close to my city. So I'll be back in my city very soon. And I feel like I'll be home really soon in like 10 minutes. I don't know. Because, you know, I live close to the country. But yeah, let's go back home. Just gotta be careful. When I'm backing out.
Continuous recording will now start.
Now, from my understanding, people either bring a rifle from home here, or they might like just rent it, you know, they'll pay money to practice firing. But yeah, a really crazy place. But yeah. Yeah, you can see there's like pictures of this guy with like a shotgun or yeah, whatever it is. So yeah, I'm in the country. And you can go fast here. You can go like 100 kilometers an hour on this road. Well, that's a story to tell my parents once I get back. Yeah, this is like area I'm at. Really rich area. A lot of rich people, they actually live out in the country. But yeah. There's like train rails here. But yeah. And yeah, also there's like a church here. You guys see the church? There's like a church on a massive hill. Probably a lot of like Catholic people living in this area. But yeah, I need my GPS for navigation just because I want to make sure I don't take the wrong road. But yeah. But yeah, so very soon I'll be on the highway. And yeah. Yeah, I'm really hungry. I'm gonna eat lunch once I come back. I need to take a shower too. But yeah. And then I got a stop sign here. But yeah, this area is a little bit confusing, so I'll just have to pay close attention here. Okay, yeah, this makes sense. I see Because there's no way to... There's grass up ahead, so I wouldn't be able to switch to another road. So the GPS is telling me to go here. Okay, I see now, yeah. Okay, and there's the sign that says welcome to Calgary. Okay, so I'm basically back in Calgary now. I told you guys it was fast, you know. You can already see the neighborhood legacy. Holy shit. I can't wait to tell my parents about the fact that I went to a shooting range. That is insane. Oh, look, guys. Ha! Horses. But yeah, there's some horses. There's also a guy here selling honey. Yeah, he's selling honey. Don't know if you guys saw that just now. Shit. Okay, yeah. I got really nervous driving here because it's like really, really busy. It's kind of risky right now. Ah, shit. There's like so much cars on this highway. That's what scares me. But from my understanding, yeah, okay, I'm good. I just have to stay on the far left to not get in car's way. Okay, come on, come on. Okay, yeah. Thank you, sir, for letting me pass. I appreciate it. Whew, okay. That shit got me nervous. It's stressful driving on these roads. It's really, really busy. There's a lot of cars. I do get really anxious driving, like... Normally not, but if you have to, like, merge into a highway, then yeah, that shit makes me nervous. But I'm all good. The guy let me pass too, so that's nice of him. So thank you, sir. I appreciate it. But yeah. What's this weird smell? Hope it's not coming from my car. Probably just something outside, I don't know. Shit, I still have to switch lanes, that's the thing. I have to, like, go far to the right side. So I hope I can, like, I'll try to turn on my blinker and hopefully someone will let me pass. But yeah. Yeah, this vlog is amazing. But yeah, I'm basically home. I can see my neighborhood. I'm obviously back in Calgary. Well, yeah, highways are extremely busy today. Holy shit. I would show you the back, but it would be hard to show you. But yeah, I'm looking behind me and there are like so many cars. Damn. There's a shit ton of cars. Okay, finally, green light. That took forever. Shit, I just hope someone will let me pass, because I have to make a right turn. Okay, I'll use my blinker right when I pass the green light. Okay, now. Yeah, okay, good, good. Oh wait, never mind. I was gonna turn right, but I didn't realize the lane ends over there. That's okay. Ah, shit. Okay, yeah, I'm good. I'm all good. Now, I have to yield here. And sometimes it's really busy here, but looks like right now there's no one. But let's, yeah, just make sure. Okay, there's one guy. Okay, I'll make it. Just gotta be fast. Yeah, I'm good. All right, I'm back home, basically. I can't believe from my house I can get to the country to that shooting range in just like 12 minutes. That's insane. Holy shit, I'm now in my neighborhood. What the fuck? Someone honked at another driver. Yeah, I'm not surprised because it's so busy today. Like, what is it with all these cars today? Not just on the highway, but even here. Oh, I'm sweating. It's hot. Good thing I'm wearing a t-shirt and shorts, because it's really hot outside. And this guy, like, you probably can't see, but he has like a UK license plate. Yeah, I see a lot of people have like a British license plate. Well, the front one, not the back. The front, you can put whatever you want. The back, you know, obviously that wouldn't make sense for like a car from the United Kingdom to have a license plate. Well, yeah. Alright guys, I'm just about to be home now. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I think this vlog was amazing because I traveled from a completely different area, not in my city, back home from the country. So yeah, that was fun. And good thing I got back safely. I just had to be really careful when I was driving. But yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a good one. Take care. And yeah, bye.